Hello student, welcome in UGC NET preparation series. Today I am going to talk about what is basic structure of a C program with simple C program example. From this example I explain what is the basic sections in the C program that must be included in our program while writing C program. So here in structure of C program, very first section is documentation section. This section also called comment section, and this comment we can write anywhere in our program throughout the program. Now these comment are two types, single line comment and multi-line comment. We use this comment as per our requirement, single or multi-line. Now at the first point, starting point of our program, I include document section means comment that's like date and time when that program is developed, author name means who create that program, and descriptive information of that program means name of program. Now I use one comment section, document section here, that is date 2 March 2024, author name Shivansh Deshmukh, and descriptive information of program is addition of a two number. When we write such type of section at starting point, that's documented section. And here comment of my program document section is 3 line, so I prefer to use multi-line comment because here comments is line of a comment is 3 line. So multi-line comment is written like forward slash star symbol and star symbol and forward slash. This star symbol and second star symbol and forward slash is written at the ending of last line. Such type of comment is called single line comment. When my comment is one line comment, that time I use single line comment. Single line comment is written like two forward slash before that line which we use at as comments. Now these comments are totally ignored by the compiler. So you say if compiler not execute or ignore these comments, so why we write these comments in our program? And answer is for understanding purpose to other programmer. Means now my program is addition of a two number. Logic of this program or line of a code is less, or a logic of program is simple. So understanding such type of program is not much difficult, but when I write program for any software, that time line of code of that program is thousand of line, and logic of that program understanding is difficult. So when other programmer use our program as a reference for creating his program, that time understanding and logic of our program to that other programmer, we use this comment section. Okay, this is about comment section. Next section of structure of a C program is link section. In C program's structure, there are some sections which are optional and some section are very essential. Link section is essential section of our program. Without this section, we cannot access output which we required. Means required output we cannot access without this link section. Document section is optional section. If we not use this section in our program, not get affected our output, because compiler ignore this comment section, not execute during compilation or execution. Okay, now we discuss about link section. In link section we include header files. Now what is this header file? simple answer is header file is the collection of related or collection of important information related to the predefined function. So what is predefined function? There are some predefined functions which we use in our program directly without any definition, because these predefined functions definition are included in header file. So when we want to include that functions in our program, that time we have to include that related header files. So when we try to include some predefined function without header file, that time compiler not get information or meaning of that predefined function, and error will occur because compiler don't have its own brain. So when we include header file related to that predefined function, that time compiler get meaning of that function and perform a task related to that function. For example, printf, scanf. This these both functions are very common function we use in our program, and these functions are for input output operation. And for these predefined functions, header file is hash include stdio.h. Printf and scanf's definition are explained in this stdio.h header file. So when I use this printf and scanf in my program, that time I have to must include stdio.h header file in my program, because what is this printf? Printf is used for printing something on output screen, and scanf for input, means when we write something from input device, that time that data stored in computer memory, this task is performed by this scanf function. I know or you know what is this printf and scanf, but compiler don't know about this printf and scanf. When I include header file, that time he get meaning of this printf and scanf and perform like that operations. Okay, now my program is about string function, means function string len, string length. This function we use for finding length of a string. That time I have to firstly include header file string.h, that is hash include string.h. So when I include this header file, that time per executing during this string length, compiler get meaning of this string length and find length of that string. And if my program is about performing something math operation, that time firstly I have to must include math.h header file. And my program is about graphics function, that time firstly I have to include graphics.h header file. H for header file, stdio.h standard input output header file, getch, this is common predefined function. This function is used for hold output screen, and header file for this getch is hash include conio.h. When I use this getch in my program, I have to include hash include conio.h in my program.